Yo, what's good with y'all? It's June 6th right now. We are currently in a trade. It's about the turtle soup. I was very bearish on the day. Yeah, like I said, I'm in a position right now, but I'm gonna show y'all the debrief real quick. We in this bitch. Alright. Daily chart. Hold up, I need to hide all this. Yesterday we took all times. Okay, we had like a 400 point move up in here, bro. 4 hour chart. Tons of imbalances to go and fill. So I'm thinking today is just gonna be a straight down, fill all those imbalances that they created. Pre-market, there's an SMT from here to here. And recently there was another one on the NASDAQ from here to here. S&P took that high, also took the previous high. So, bro, right here, dude, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I'm calling it. I don't know if it's gonna turtle soup right here. It might, but I'm just aiming low key, bro. I'm just aiming kind of down into the fair value gap. But I mean, this is just like a perfect entry. I can't even lie. It was basically just chopping at market open, 8:30, chopping, boom. Nasdaq swept internals, but there was a giant SMT right here. S&P kept pushing back up, but then Nasdaq started to fall, and I think it's going to rebalance into this. I might add more to that if it turtle soups like that. I've got a partial right here, just at these lows right here. It's like a third of my position or something like that. But yeah, we in short right now. How are y'all doing today? Alright, we back. I just hit a little re-entry right here. I took some partials down here. We're still in the position. I just added 3 more contracts after I took off 3 down there. So we're back to original risk in a sense. 15-minute fair value gap is formed here. That's pretty much where I entered. Actually, no, I entered at the bottom of this breaker that's like right inside of the 5-minute fair value gap. So yeah, I went in for the re-entry and I'm aiming for down. Here now, and it looks like it's starting to expand. Yeah. This is just on, like, hold up, I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm on the evaluation right now, so I'm actually I had to change up the rules a little bit. I'm still trying to figure stuff out on the eval accounts. This might reject a little bit here. It's fine. Yeah, this re-entry was basically optimal trade entry, like right in here. Like I said, I had a very bearish daily bias. There was an SMT down here that signals bullish. The reason I'm still entering though is because there was an SMT down here, but there was also one right here. So they're kind of moving in tandem with each other still. So I'm not crazy worried about this SMT right here. Obviously, if it goes to stop, then, you know, it's whatever. But I trust this model. I don't know, bro. We got a lot of fair value gap to fill in, if you know what I'm saying. Look at all this shit, bro. But yeah, I'm just aiming for like down here or something like that. I'll probably take most of it off. Now there's another thing to take off some of my position at. But yeah, I'm in like 9 micros right here. All right, we're back. Okay. I cut this re-entry off a little bit right here because it made a fair value gap. So when I entered, it started shooting down, then it came back up, was showing very bullish, made a fair value gap right in here. I took about 4 off, like right in here, just around like break even or something like that. I still had the partial from earlier, and I had about like half my original size on, still on the normal stop loss. It was like right up here. But I just went and re-entered again on this. This just broke down. So I entered in on the fair value cap here, and I just moved my stop loss for everything to this high up here. It was showing very bullish, wasn't really giving me anything, so that's why I kind of really, I just took off like 4 more right here just to kind of play it safe and just react to what the market was doing, but it broke down again, so like I said, went for another re-entry, and I moved my stop down to right here to cover for me, and if it goes and disrespects this and sweeps this, then I'm stopped out, but like I said, I cut this partial early. Oh shit. Y'all are about to watch me, finish this trade live, but yeah, if it does stop me out, it's like a break-even day. Alrighty, it is looking a little bit iffy on whether or not it's gonna respect this. Like I said, if it doesn't respect it, then I'm stopped out. I'm chilling, you know. I'm fine with that because it was a good trade. Got some good experience up in here. But yeah, alright, yo, I have no fucking clue what's going on right now with price, but I'm probably just gonna hold this. I don't even know what it's doing. It's just chopping a little bit. It might just suddenly expand down out of nowhere. Might not. Might go up. Who the fuck knows? But I don't feel like exiting early and then get mad when it hits my original trade idea and I exited early and chop because that should be fucking happening sometimes. But alright, bro. I think we just had to get out of a bit of chop. I'm watching a waterfall right now. You guys are watching it live. This bitch is about to the moon. Alright, so no. Y'all want to watch me play Minesweeper right quick? This spawn is fucking ass. Alright, let me redo that. Alright, Minesweeper. Mid trade. Minesweeper. Brain activation up in this bitch. Oh shit. Hey, hold up. Damn. Alright. I'm locked in, bro. What the fuck is this? We lit. Alright, medium mode, 43 seconds. Someone beat that time. I fucking dare you. It's like, no, you can't. It's like, that ain't shit. I can't even lie. By the way, no, I was not trying to be a patent lawyer up in here, bro. I was just looking up the salary. Bro, these motherfuckers make 235 to 322 bands a year, bro. I think I'm finna take, bro, if this hit is, god damn, I can't speak, my illiterate ass. If this SMT's right here, I'm probably gonna take some of it off. I'm gonna take some off when the S&P sweeps this low right here. Hold up, this shit's like distorted. Extorted like Pablo Escobar. Yeah, I don't even know, bro. Other than that, I'm just holding. Dude, I've been in this trade for fucking like 3 hours, bro. Alright, one partial just hit. Stop the break even. Rest off at the low on NASDAQ. Damn. But yeah, I'm gonna just wait this one out, bro. Dude, these markets just kind of stopped being correlated, so I'm just gonna take everything off right here. S&P is already taking this low, NASDAQ is not, so I took a partial. And then I'm just waiting for the rest of it to hit right here. Guys, something wonderful just happened. Okay, I let the trade run. Was in the trade for about 4 hours. I was gonna take everything off at this low right here. Okay, NASDAQ came down 3 points within take profit, and then started going up. The S&P took the low, kept going down. The NASDAQ came up. My stop loss was at break even. Can y'all see where this is going? Out right here. It was 3 points past where my break even was. And then it came right back down to where I originally thought it was going to go. On some bullshit. But there's nothing we can do about it. Price is just fucking retarded. It's like, no. I didn't do anything wrong today. I'm going to give a quick debrief of price. Just how it was today. I think today had a very good narrative, but price ended up chopping and losing correlation completely and doing like random ass shit. Going in yesterday, like I said, we had rallied literally fucking 400 points. Okay, there were 4-hour FVGs all in here. This area right here, we were crazy overbought. We just took all-time highs. Okay, these are marked out. I'm going to delete them though. And there was an SMT. If we go in 15-minute chart right here, SMT right here. So this is pre-market. I woke up, saw this shit. I'm like, damn, this bitch is going down. Alright, but I didn't know today was gonna look like a fucking accordion. Jesus. There's another SMT right at like the 8:30 open. Today we had unemployment claims. Unemployment claims at 7:30 Eastern time, and it didn't really do too much. I'm gonna go to it real quick. Unemployment was like right here, so yeah, it didn't really do too much. After 8:30 though, 8:30 opens like right here. Again, didn't really do too much. Wasn't very clean or anything. It was still chopping a bit. But S&P was steadily going back up, and it ended up this SMT technically got like disqualified or whatever. There was a double SMT, but Nasdaq made a lower high. I mean, and then S&P made a higher one. But the S&P took out this liquidity right here, which is technically its all-time high. So, you know, tapped all-time high, and then they started going back down. And I'm like, all right, I'm gonna start looking for shorts right now. My bad. So 850 price comes down, 5 minute fair value gap right in here. Now S&P was not moving too much. Like I said, it comes down, then starts making its way back up. I entered on Nasdaq because it was the one that made a lower high right here, and so I was respecting the SMT. It was hinting that Nasdaq was going to go down, not the S&P. Little did I know the S&P would go straight down, the Nasdaq would sit here and fucking jack off the entire day. I was in the trade from like 8:50 until 12:30 or something like that. But yeah, so I entered like right in here, and this is where the trade review gets very detailed. I entered in 9 right here, very bottom of this fair value gap. I was targeting to go lower for the day. I ended up not doing that because of the way it unfolded, but it ended up not doing some bullshit anyway. But 1/3 profit right here. I took a partial 3 off at this low right here to cover for me because the S&P did make an SMT. S&P made an SMT. Yeah, so this SMT was the reason that I took that off because I didn't want it to reverse and this maybe like go back up here or something like that. It's just something they usually do, partial at SMTs when price starts losing correlation, but after I took that off, it starts making its way back up and it comes back into the fair value gap. And I actually entered again. This 5 minute fair value gap was not tapped into yet. And so I entered 3 more micro contracts in this fair value gap right here, kind of at the beginning of it. So I was down back to my original size, but I had already taken 1 partial. I was already in profit. I was going for the re-entry. Now price starts going down again. I think on the S&P it actually looked better. Actually, yeah, no shit, since the S&P actually followed the bias today. No, it went down. Okay, it started coming back up, and then it really started coming back up. Formed a fair value gap right here, and at this point, my stop loss was right here. It formed this fair value gap, and it came down into it, and I'm like, you know what? Fuck this shit, dude. Like, fair value gap right next to my thing, and this SMT was still in existence. I didn't give it a crazy amount of credibility, but technically there's an SMT down there, and this thing's showing extremely bullish action. As far as all the other stuff, most of it had been balanced. All this was like tapped into, but fair value gap right here, so I took it off pretty much at break even. Yeah, this was like right at break even, so I had 9, took 4 off. I was in 5 now. I was still in take profit, but I have like half my original size. But then, I don't know why I have this 1 minute SMT marked out. It doesn't really mean shit. Then price shot down like a cannon, disrespected all of this stuff that was like right in here. It was chopping for a little while. Shot down like a cannon, and I didn't see any reason why it wouldn't just bounce and then start going lower from there, which, I mean, that's what it did. Better on the S&P, but yeah, so I went for another reentry right here, and then I moved my stop loss. Actually, wait, no. Yeah, I moved my stop loss down, I'm pretty sure. That makes sense. If price were to go back up and hit this high, like right in here, I see no reason that it wouldn't also take this high, so I just put my stop loss right here. I'm like, all right, my idea is done right here. That's where my stop loss is. Cutting losses a bit short, playing more safe on this side since I had a re-entry and a partial going for that. So then this is where price started chopping more and chopping and chopping and chopping. And right in here, this was not really any fun. The entire time, Nasdaq was going up, S&P was going down. I did not really like it at all. It was losing correlation, so I said I would take a partial like right here. Took 3 off right here, so I'm in 9. and then I took 3 off right here, so I'm in 6. And then the rest was right here at this low. So I moved the rest to be taken off right here. And as you guys saw, after that, price kept going down and going down and going down until it was in 3 points of my take profit. And then it reversed for some fucking reason, hit my stop loss exactly, stopped me out. I'm still in profit though. I had the partial. This was break even, but it hit my break even, dog, by like 3 fucking points and then reversed. And look at that, bro. This is not even a normal reversal, bro. This shit looks like a fucking icicle, bro. I'm talking, what even is this? 60 points in like 10 minutes, bro. This bitch wouldn't even go fucking 60 points for the entire 4 hours I was in the trade. And yesterday it rallied 400 points, bro. I don't even know, dude. But yeah, Price had a really good narrative today. I had a really good bearish narrative. I didn't break my rules or anything. It's just kind of annoying because I could have made like 3 times the amount of money. But I guess it happens. My psychology and stuff is fine like that. But yeah, it was kind of a machine gun day, honestly, dude. I was just reacting to whatever it gave me. Trying to work around the conditions I was in. I ended up ending the day in profit. So that's good. It's very good. But yeah, it's a pretty good experience in here. I think if price was actually cleaner today, then all this stuff would have hit. If it didn't start losing correlation and just chopping all over the place. I mean, like, what the fuck even is this shit, bro? Shit looks like a fucking medieval witch doctor, bro. This is a fucking witch doctor up in this. Yeah. Alright, bro. That's pretty much it for today, dog. That's like the only thing I did. One trade. It was a fucking 4-hour trade, but that's besides the point. Tomorrow is non-farm payroll. I don't know if I'm going to be trading. It's probably going to be choppy just like today because of non-farm, if I'm being honest with you. That's how the last one was, but it's like hit or miss sometimes whether non-farm payroll actually fucks up the entire trading day. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I think it's going to keep going down since today it only went down. What even is this? Like 100 points. It still has... I'm actually going to delete all these drawings. I don't even need these anymore. It still has all of this to fill. And once this daily candle closes, bro, what even is this? We have a 264.5 point daily fair value gap. Once this daily candle closes right here. If you want to see the S&P, 33 points. Yeah, it's way bigger on NASDAQ. Holy shit. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. So y'all have a good weekend. I'll see y'all. Peace.